Hey, good morning everybody. Back at it for another day here. Nice little Sunday morning. So what we're doing right now is we actually are taking our loader over and going to knock down some dirt piles. Summers ago, they went through and dug a ditch from, I don't know, a couple roads up from where our farm is, and it runs all the way out to Lake Michigan. It kind of drains the whole area, because off to the down there, down in the flats, they actually used to all be called the Pearson Swamp, and they dug this ditch so it would drain and they were able to farm it. So anyways, it hasn't been cleaned out in a lot of years, so they went through and dug the bottom and left the spoils all on the banks, so they had it in a big pile. So I went through and moved it all around one winter and put it right next to the wet spots, but it wasn't quite froze up enough to go through and grade it off with our loader, so they got piled up along the edges of them, and it's finally dry enough and there's no crops in the field right now that I can go out and work the field, or not work it, but knock the piles down and then work the field. So that's what we're doing this morning. Yeah, so we're just gonna spend an hour or two doing that, hopefully get it pretty close to level and go from there and see where the rest of the day takes us. So that's what the plan is. I don't know if you guys will be able to see this, but we got a little wildlife out here in the fields. Right now there's 2 deer. There's one of them running across. Number 2 is right behind it. So see these grass mounds right here, right along there? That's what we're knocking down. We're just gonna push them out. Hopefully this field isn't too wet. Yeah, we got some more turkeys over there. So we got all kinds of wildlife this morning. It's nice to see. So anyways, here we go. All right, so this might take a little bit, but anyways, we'll make it quick for you guys. Just like that, she's all done. Should probably shut the music off. Anyways, it's all knocked out. It's not perfect, but we're gonna disc it, so what's the difference, right? We'll knock the high spots down. It's pretty wet in here, so, and I put it in thick. Fill up the low spot. That's kind of why we had it windrowed out, so I could push it and fill in the low spots. That's what the plan was. Got one little one right over here that I'm gonna go do, and then back to field work. So that's what the plan is. There's a bathroom mat out here, like, oh, there it is, found it. We're good. All right, so this one's knocked down as well, but it's not as pretty. There's standing water on the back side of that, and I almost got stuck right there. So yeah, I decided just kind of knock it down, get it loosened up. So hopefully once our skid steer is back together, because we're still fighting with that thing. Actually, we just haven't had time to put it back together, but when that's back together, I'll come out here and knock that down. I'll actually finish out a lot nicer with that. All right, so we're back for another day here. We're a little occupied moving a tree right now. We're gonna see how this goes. It's right here in the edge of the field. I want to be able to plant that, so we're getting it. There we go. Now look at all that real estate we're opening up. So anyways, we're gonna plant some soybeans today.
You're stuck?
I'm stuck. Come on, let's go. You know, if I didn't need a new belt, I probably do now. So anyways.
Oh my. Hey.
We're gonna try to plant some soybeans. I got Mark out there in the other tractor. He's gonna be working ahead of me, and because the ground right now is really hard. We don't have any rain. We haven't had any rain. We actually have some coming, but we don't have it yet. So the ground is like rock hard and it's not working up very nice. So there's spots where where the clay is pretty much turned into a solid rock, and we got to work it twice. And so that's what we got going on. Hopefully we don't have to work it too many more times. But and then he's gonna go over to this field right on the other side of the drain and work that again. We did a cover crop on it. We didn't do a burn down, so the rye it was about 4 feet tall and just isn't turning out. So we just gotta keep working until we get it broke down. Not a good seed bed, so we're working, you know, the struggles. But anyways, that's what we got going on. Got plenty of soybeans here. Alright, so I don't know if I've talked to you guys about our bean planter or not. It's a 12 row, 20 or 18 inch spacing is what we got. And if the wind noise is bad, I'm sorry, but it's like a consistent 20 mile an hour wind today, and it's whipping. So that's our soybean planter. It's a Kinsey. Works great. I actually really like this planter. It seemed to always do a great job for us, so just keep sticking. And got a little rider today, so he's struggling with the door here, but a little too breezy for you. There we go. Oh. So anyways, that's what we got going on. Hopefully no issues. Here we go. Planting, as you can see. Also, I don't know if you'll be able to see or not, because I know I can't see it, but our marker goes somewhere out here. Pretty much just eyeballing it, guessing. And leave somewhat of a mark, but by the time I come back around, it's already dried out, so not much to see. These disc blades don't do the greatest job at making a furrow to follow, so straight lines, not so much today. But I think as we get farther in the field, we'll be alright. It actually needs rain. Like, it would really help if we had a quarter-inch of rain, like tonight, or in like, I don't know, a couple hours like it's supposed to do. It'd be nice, knock down some of the dust, get a little bit of moisture in the ground for the crops we got in. Wouldn't really help us in the field working aspect, but it's not like a quarter-inch wouldn't hurt anything, you know? So hopefully we can get that. Hopefully we can get something at least. Something to put moisture in the ground. Really knock down the dust for us. You should see I'm in the yard right now. Woo, that is bad. Alright, got to turn. Lost the lid. Gotta go get it. Why don't you just stay on? Wouldn't it be easier? Like I said earlier, we got, right now it's not too bad, but when the wind gust comes around, she's windy. Look at that, we're getting some beans. Getting down there. Not quite even. I might be about a third of the way down the field, maybe quarter, somewhere in there. Just not trip over the arm. But yeah, we actually have a storm rolling in, so gotta go. Well, we're starting to get a few raindrops on the window. Wanna hold off till then? Or will the planter run out? Stay tuned and find out. I think the planter's gonna run out. We've got about 25 acres, so I don't know how many we get out of this, but I don't think that many. So hopefully we don't get rained out. but we don't have enough beans to finish, so we're all out of beans. We're waiting for them. Where they are coming from, they're from the other side of the state. You guys know this, but 2 weeks ago, you know, a full 2 weeks ago, they had 2 dams break and pretty much flooded that whole area. And our guy that has the seeds lives like 2 miles from that dam, so I gotta pick it up. Hold on. That's gonna look funny when I combine it. So. Anyways, but yeah, he lives, I think he said 2 miles south of the dam, and there was 5 feet of water on everything. So he was dealing with that. They had to evacuate, and he wasn't sure how he had to. So where's the bathroom out here? Oh, found it. All right. Oh, by the way, it's starting to rain. Gotta check our beans, see how close we are. Getting down there. Yep, almost out. Hopefully we can make it past the, yeah, I can see you getting down there. All right, that's 3 of them. But as you can see, Mark's still making a dusty mess over there. He's got it rolling. Woo! Hate to be driving down that road. Alright, back to work. Losing a lid! Losing a lid! Losing a lid! Oh. Don't get the beans wet! Don't get the beans wet! Alright. Oh. Those stupid ones that I opened. Why'd I have to open them? Alright, back to the tractor. Getting wet. Gotta go, gotta go, gotta go, gotta go, gotta go. Can't see where I'm going though, that's kind of an issue. Yeah, getting muddy. Alright, keep going. Mud hole, going right through it. Taking the 4-wheel drive. Pick up the marker a little bit. Pick the planter up. Up we go. We're up. Down. Marker down, we're off. Take it out of 4-wheel drive because we really don't need that. We might if it keeps raining, but I doubt it. Alright, we gotta go, gotta go, gotta go. Crank her up. Oh yeah, there's, that says 5.5 still. Should pick up a little faster than that. Should be doing about 6.5. There we go, there we go. Cooking. Alright, there we go. Keep going. One final check. Oh, we're getting down there. We probably only got a pass or 2 left. We'll just check them all this time. I'm not even gonna try to transfer over because it's raining. Just making sure that if we got one that's just about out, we might pull some, but we're on our last. We might have 2 more rounds. So, uh-oh. Better make sure all our lids locked down too. You can see it's getting wet. I mean, that's the color it should be. That's the color it is. So it's raining. That one's just about out. That might be the first one. Oh, never mind. It's that one. What do we got next to it? I don't even know if I have a bucket with me. We'll see how far we get. I do have a scoop. I'll do 1 scoop out of this end one over here. Maybe 2. Maybe 2. Just to make myself feel better, I might be able to get a little more out of it. Get a scoop. Maybe 1 more. All right, good enough. Let's go. Gotta go. Gotta go. Gotta go. Gotta go. Gotta go. Gotta make sure my lids are on though too. That's top priority. Nobody likes losing lids. Well, say we're all done. Row 9 is empty. So we had I think we got 30 acres in before it ran out. So that's pretty good for a little hopper planter, you know. Single row. Stop it! I get it. Alright, anyways, just had to yell at it a little bit, smack it around. Dust ball. Anyways, we didn't beat the rain. Not that I can see, but I get it. Row 9 failed. Shut it. So, I think when we started we had 97 acres planted. And I'm at 128 right now, so I'd say we did pretty good. I think that's what we usually get, about 30 acres. Row 1 is low. Row 9 failed. Alright, I get it. Grandpa just finished up doing his field and he ran out of corn right there at the end, so that was another, I think it works out to 55 acres of corn done. I got 30 acres of beans done, so another 85 acres knocked out. We're getting down there. I think we probably got, I think everything's done up at the home farm now. That's a plus. All we got left is one field in Rothbury, and hopefully that doesn't get any rain on it because supposedly it's a sponge and it just soaks everything up. But then we got, I think, about 200 acres here left. Soybeans. Hopefully we get some corn seed, but we gotta get going. I want to get this in the ground so it can grow, and I can go. I should probably watch what I'm doing. Just about rip that arm off. But anyways, I'm ready to go take a nap. That'd be kind of nice. So when we're all done, I can go to sleep. Alright. Anyways, that's gonna be it for the day. So I don't know what Mark's doing. Some people make me nervous. He's one of those. He flipped a go-kart that sat 6 inches off the ground. On flat ground. He tipped it over. He's one of those, oh, I gotta open my door, gotta get out. He's one of those people that can just about destroy anything. But he can also take care of stuff in a weird way. I don't know. We'll see what he's doing. But I don't think any of the press wheels. Oh, we were just starting to build up some mud. Just starting to. Not bad. We're gonna have to get shut down if it kept raining. So doesn't look too bad though. But we're out. I think this is the one that I should really set the planter down, shouldn't I? I think she's empty. Yep, she's empty. That, or just about. It told me it was no longer working, so. All right, see you tomorrow. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Your support is appreciated, so thanks, and we'll see you next time.